Welcome back. Another day working on the tool and mainly putting it on the asset library here. Hopefully, making a character. I think everything has been organized into a better to use thing. If I change this, yeah, I can reset. Okay. So don't touch these if you have no idea what these are. Okay. I think that's everything. So out of the box, if I run it with no stats, I'm curious about stats. Okay. If I give it just new entity stats, assign gravity, terminal velocity, max health, I don't know. Okay, and since this is like a player and whatnot. Okay. Let me open the class actually and like set some defaults. So, new organization, basic parts, and then stats. Okay. And then let me grab quickly here the quick load of the agents, and then just set equal to 4, and we get to 350 equals 100 equals 300 equals 10 equals 20 equals 0. Equals 6 frames equals 1 equals 0. Okay. And then for these, those will be the default values. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Anything else that I'm missing that's like important to touch? Don't touch, 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 don't touch. Actually, moveless is the only thing you actually should touch. Here, okay. The rest is like leave it as is, or you're going to screw up some things. Mm-hmm. So I think there are three nodes that you need to touch. If you want to just start making a character without too much issue, as is, without trying too hard. So move less, which you touch later after creating an attack. So you want to touch the player stats, you want to touch the attack manager, and you want to touch move less. Let me put in a prompt in here, actually, real quick. Okay. I just want to see what this looks like on. Yeah, this thing's gonna look abysmal in here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, just quickly Control C, because this is probably faster. Just have it put all the bracket BR. Can you put line breaks? Why is that 90% of the session? Okay. And then save that. You can then look at the documentation. So much better. So much better. No. Variable name of legend, only change variable names. Okay. Bracket, BR. Um, 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 okay. Downlight bottom. Sorry, these are the simple ones. Okay. With the key conditions, then ask an AI to make the same motion in the ways you want. The way I edit this file is I provide it to an AI to for it to understand the format and see what is already used. Yeah, no. Recommended way to edit this large repetitive file. Provide the attack key to an AI to get the format code function. Mhm. If you have the available tokens, putting in the full file is recommended. Recommended way to edit this larger part of the file. Provide the attack key section to an AI to get for it to get the format. Get the format. Then ask it to make a dictionary. Mm, mhm. I don't actually want to edit this file. I don't want it to edit the file. Okay. Uh, what is your understanding of the move list? Mm-hmm. Okay. If you wanted to make a new set of moves using the motion, um, the DP motion, and all versions of DP, mm, you know, how do I keep this simple? I want to make a prompt for it that people who want to edit the file can make their own moves using their own motions, but still organized in the way I do it. Even just writing it out helps. If it doesn't give me like a prompt, then to make a short organized way I do it, where the naming scheme is still the same format of no input is implied. So it's motion. It's whether it's grounded or air, motion, the button, and then left or right facing is yeah, in the same format as this one, where it's grounded state, motion, and button. Punch. Right, Control F, air. Okay. That's a naming scheme thing. That is not consistent. To do for all branches, make the naming scheme consistent for all attacks in the move list, as light is not stated directly on some attacks. Alright, where it is rounded state motion and button. No statement of ground for an attack on the ground. Do it using export groups and subgroup. Where the naming scheme is the same format. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Using limited information such as the existing motions and the attack key. When using the existing motions, it is to not make a duplicate of them. No, I mean, if I wanted to let someone give it to an AI like yourself, to have that AI edits it not as a doc point. Mm-hmm. Okay. When adding new move list, please follow the existing structure. State motion button. Mm-hmm. Okay. Example: airborne attacks with uh, air. Check the existing motion constants for a naming legend in the file before introducing a new one. If an existing motion exists, do not invent new abbreviations outside the legend already defined in the file's top comment. This is something closer, but I'll probably edit from there, which means I'm just not going to send that message and take it as is, and then edit it in here. Okay. Oh, that's upsetting. Oh, that's upsetting. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think I will remove this because that just makes it not the best. With air. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Check the existing motion content constants and naming legend in the file before introducing a new one. If an existing motion already matches the constant, what's the reasons it rather than creating a duplicate? Do not invent new abbreviations. Oh, stuff. Okay. If existing motion constants if an existing motion constant already matches what needed, um, tell, correct, it's just that, okay. Tell the user instead of making one, um, instead of making one, or ask for clarification first. Mm-hmm. Okay. A prompt, a prompt for an AI to use and edit this file is provided to reduce token usage. Only use the attack key and the ready function. A prompt for an AI to use and edit this file is provided to reduce token usage. Only use the attack key up and the ready function to reduce your token usage. Token usage. only use the attack key up and the ready function as well as this prompt provided with the motions you want to add. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I should actually mention that DP is unused here. Note, DP is not appended to a, it's not used, it is or defined as an attack, just the motion. It's on all of them. Huh. Mm-hmm. 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 Um, After this one, we need the structure. Uh, an image is provided to help. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh, bit long a and like the block in the code is is pretty good if it had the part subgroups within those by family, specific direction sequence. Each leaf subgroup contains individual button variants for the exact motion. Actually, I think that's probably better. Top level group separated ground air special moves. Ornamentals. Top level groups, then by a specific direction. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Then the lowest for that exact motion. Sort of. Okay. Okay. Variance that the user wants. When adding to the move list. First, ask the user for verification ask the clarification on the buttons they want supported. From the constants Mm-hmm. The on the attack buttons they want supported from the constants already in this class. Mm-hmm. On the attack buttons, they want supported from the constants already in this class. Follow the existing structure export subgroup of top level group separate broad categories. Grounded special moves, air special moves, normal attacks. Subgroups within those separate by motion family, border circles, dragon punch, etc. Then group subgroups by specific direction sequence. So starting from down, going to forward, forward to down, up to back, whatever. Um, mm-hmm. Mm, um, back. Then the lowest level group contains individual attack button variants for that exact motion, like kick, light punch, heavy kick, heavy punch, and any special move variants and the same that the user wants. Name the variables using the state button format. Air bonus attacks are prefixed with air. Mm-hmm. Um, mm-hmm. Constant already matches what is needed. Skip it, which all uh, QC motions are supported. That start from down or left or right or up. Mm-hmm. 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 When adding a new move to this list, first ask the user for verification on the attack buttons they want supported from the constants already in this class. Uh, mm, then provide copy. Okay. Provide the copy instructions of the uh, mhm, 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 of copy this function and paste it without provide tell the user not to paste over all of the code, but to just add the smaller section you are trying to provide. Okay. And then I want to copy, let's go to one of the special ones. Okay. That. Mhm. Okay. Below is an exact okay. 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 From that I made this small edits only. Okay. Okay. Wait, no, that was the wrong spot. Okay. What was one thing? Okay. The one thing I wanted is separate left facing and right facing. Okay. Okay. If in GD scripts. First, ask the user for clarification on what language. Using name the variable using this format. Airborne attacks are prefixed with air. Check the existing motion constants. Name motion the file before introducing no one. I think existing motion constant already matches what is needed. Reuse it rather than duplicating it. Or quarter circle motions and all normals excluding EX. All quarter circle motions and all normals. Okay. All quarter circle motions, excluding EX and punch kick, are supported by default. Ask if they want to add support for those. That would mean should be 8 here, I think. Kick EX, punch EX, punch kick light, punch kick heavy. Yeah, that should be about it. Oh my goodness, 1 hour just going over this file and making a very good user-friendly prompt. using GDB script. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The ready function. Mm. Let's move this up. Okay. Mm-hmm. Um, Control F from here up. Okay. And AI is provided to reduce your token usage. Copy from the line that states it um, below the ready function. Ready function um, to find it fast. Control F from here up. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Past this line is just the variable that to you for the document comment. And just for security, or certainty, I'm going to double quotation mark this thing. Okay. So I think that is mhm. Okay, mhm. Let me check mechanisms already in this class. Um, ask if they want a class explanation. Will the code be added? Uh, code first. Uh, mhm, mhm. If they want a class explanation or the added code first, um, for the video explanation, lead them to this link. Uh, mention that the channel code. YouTube.com. Go to my channel, not the studio, so just search myself up. Chrome of Red Burns. Okay. Code, and a move. Wait, I already made one. Mm-hmm. With this YouTube link, this 4min YouTube link that explains how the tool was built. Mm-hmm. And the channel. Um, uh, when adding a move to this move list, first ask the user for clarification on what language they will be using. On the attack button, if they want supported, if the constants from the constants already in this class. If they want new ones. Class. If they want class explanation or the code added first. And if I lost my thought. And verify the names they want on a general level before uh, verify the names they want. Um, and show the names that are that you made by default for the new stuff, and ask if those are okay before making the full code section. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Put a space between, sorry, a new line between the left side and right side moves. Mm, okay, cool. Since I ran out on Claude, I'm going to see if I can simply... Wait, did I copy the right spot? No. Wait, wait, wait. Okay. From here up, since Copilot exists and is on the internet and whatnot, Copilot, no, you know, Bing, search Bing, Copilot. Is this asking me to log in? Dang it. Okay. Google. One without needing me to log in. AI mode. Share. That's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. Mm-hmm. Gemini, can I just go to Gemini and call it there? No, not Flash. Submit this prompt. Okay. Mm-hmm. And variables for your attack, and you can review details, make sure everything routes correctly through your attack key system. Language, yeah, so GD, script, Which attack buttons do you want supported for the new move? Your current constants give us options for light kick, light punch, heavy punch, plus the EX variant, and multi-button variants. Let's go with EX kick, EX punch, light punch. What specific motions you're adding? Let's do not quarter circles. Add the DP motions. Add the DP motions and the half circle motions. Add the DP motions, the half circle motions. Um, mm-hmm. And add the quarter circle motions for the buttons I mentioned. Generate the default variable names using the required state motion button format. I'll show you those names for approval before I write the full code section. Note when we finalize the code, make sure you only paste the new snippet I provide you into your script. Do not overwrite your entire file. Little incorrect. If you need from the channel's creator. Okay. Okay. Perfect. I'll use GD script, and we'll be using the setting up the core circle, the quarter circle, DP, half circle. Okay. I will add these two constants into your script. Left border circle right. Or forward. Okay, back. Okay. Light punch. Grounded quarter circle light punch. Grounded down quarter circle right, left. The air versions. The EX one. DP. DP. Yes. Go ahead. Um, if we just put it in as is, like that. Okay. Mm-hmm. In dictionaries. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Um, from what I can tell, it looks pretty good. Um, my concern is that the buttons are not capitalized for attacks. Okay. Um, looking at this, I think it missed the half circles. Why not? They're there. Half circle left, half circle right, back forward, forward back. Yep, that makes sense. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Um, down, quarter circle. Okay. And these are the standard ones. So so maybe I want to add like okay. Um, mm-hmm. Uh, uh, okay. Uh, ask if they want just the standard motions or the expanded set or for every possibility for that style. Okay, how would you change your answer if this was provided to you in the initial prompt? Mm-hmm. Motion scope any addition. Do you want just the standard motions for this style, standard quarter circle, back, forward, standard dragon punch, or do you want every possible variation, including up quarter circles, reverse dragon punches, etc.? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Cool. For that, can you do a grammar fix uh, for the part that would be in the prompt? Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now then, let me take. Can I just delete this chat? Great, perfect. Delete chat. Okay, new chat. Let's try it again. From that section up, this is assuming that they copy correctly, and then they don't keep this part. All right. Mm-hmm. Motions. Do you want the standard motions for a standard forward dragon punch, or do you need every single possible direction variant for that motion style? Uh, EX punch standard quarters and normals are already supported by default in the setup. Excluding the EX and punch combination, punch kick combinations. Do you want to add support for these attacks now? Naming structure before I write the code. Let's confirm the naming convention following your state format, etc. This needs convention look good to you. Next steps. Do you want an explanation on how the class functions first, or should we jump straight into the code? Once I provide the GD script, make sure you don't paste over all of the existing code. You only need to add specific seconds I add to your existing script. Okay, let's add a clarification that um, mhm. Mhm. Tell the user not to paste over all the existing code. Okay. Uh, if the user is using GD script, tell the user not to paste over all the existing code, um, but to only add the smaller section. Okay. Okay. New chat. Search chats. That was a flash usage, I think. Mm-hmm. From here up, copy, copy from the line that states it below the ready function. Mm. Um, use and edit this file as provided. Use a deep thinking model. Okay, that one, this one, this one. I really can't tell the differences, but I want to delete them all. Where is a delete button? Okay, new chat. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, now it does say Flash, but like it's got this stuff. Let's actually see how it works on Flash. Mm-hmm. GD script. Um. EX punch. EX kick. Um. Uh. Light punch kick. Heavy punch kick. Um. Uh. Quarter circle. DP. Half circle. Mm-hmm. Half circle. Let's just as the Flash. Mm-hmm. Or even propose names. Mm-hmm. What's my naming scheme for the DPs? Because I got that's a bit more letters. Yep, more letters. Um, this. Okay. Um, file, yada yada yada. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Where's the naming scheme part? Yeah, here. Uh, for the motions in this format, make sure the start and end, make sure it starts and ends with the direction with both the start and end direction. Is comma the DP one actually. Oh, it's DPs. Okay. Mm-hmm. Write DP for everything. You call it RDP, which is just wrong. Or is it regular DP? That's regular DP. Half circles. Okay, so definitely use a deeper thinking model. Yeah, I don't like the, okay, try again. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah, seems good to me. Mm-hmm. Mm. New motion constants, the half circle stuff. Half circle right, half circle left, forward right, forward left, back right, back left. That is incorrect. Okay. As a test case, your half circles are wrong. As there is a rule to do the same thing. What was expected was the motions comma Mm-hmm. 4, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 7, 4, 1, 2, 6, and 2, ETC. Mm-hmm. Half circle left, down, up, up, down. Okay. Okay. To improve the prompt instruction to catch this on the first try. What do you recommend is the change without giving the raw numpad notation? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Every distinct physical pathway. Sure. Mm-hmm. Mm, every distinct physical pathway for that motion style in numpad notation. Maybe the last test. New chat. Start with pro this time. Not try to make things harder on ourselves unintentionally. Hello? Refresh. Oh, it's just taking a while. Paste. Wait, did it copy the entire file? Yeah, no, that was a mistake. Oops. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. I want in GD script every possible way to make a straight line. Straight line. With 3 directions. Okay. And then with 3 directions, including the example of 1, 5, 6, or a long diagonal with an angle. On every possible way to make a straight line with 3 directions, including the example of 1, 5, 6, and all rotations and mirrors. Okay. Line horizontal left right, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4. Verticals, diagonal lines, primary and secondary, 1, 5, 9, 9, 5, 1, 3, 7, yep. Angled line 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, no. Step shifted straight trajectories, angled trajectories. Angled 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 1, 4, 7, 3, 6, 9. 1, 5, 9. Okay. Right vertical, upper horizontal, okay. That's not all the constants. Is that all the constants? Hmm. Okay. Wrong. You didn't go backwards for the 147. Or its group, and the added, and for the 156 example, I wanted you to treat that as a straight line and find all the ones similar to it in all permutations. Horizontal 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, and then okay, so that should be 12 there. Diagonal lines is 4. Angled slanted 1, 5, 6 pattern in all its metric and rotated mirrors. 1, 5, 6, 6, 5, 1, 1, 5, 8, 1, 8, 5, 1, 3, 5, 4. Okay. It's calling it a vector, but sure. Oh, yes. I like that. I like that. Okay. Okay. Naming scheme isn't exactly the best. Okay. Those are all the notions I would want. Um, but the names suck. Mhm. Can you use the naming scheme provided better? Mm-hmm. Nope. Use the constants names. Flashlight. Why? Look. Sorry, you changed to a flash. God, gosh darn it! The entire test case is gone because the thing changed to a flash. Submit pro. Stay pro. Why? Oh, I see. That makes more sense. Okay. That's why it was dumb, but also fast. So let me search chats. Yeah, so delete this one because that one's not worth it. Search chats. This one. Okay. So I believe it went through this one. Fine. Okay. Partially. I think the first prompt was good, the second one it wasn't. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to find another one that has like reading AI with deepstate.chat. Okay, sure. Wait, try independent browser chat. What does this mean? Oh, okay. All right. Control C, Control V. Something missing? Hashtag rem. What? Where in my file do I have that? Okay, so is it missing the ready function? No. Wait, what? Oh, it's missing a little bit of it. Okay. Yeah, sure, fine. Is that enough to care? Uh, almost. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Add all permutations of straight. Wait, no. Add all permutations of order circles, including small and large. That um, no specified buttons. Mm-hmm. Okay. Down left half circle. Down to left? That's half circles. Mm-hmm. Forward. Down. I have that. Do I not have that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I should have all of them because they exist with the left-right thing. Down, quarter circle right. Right, quarter circle left. Alright, down. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. I also wanted things like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 as large quarter circles. No, seriously. No. Okay, no. Just to be 5 and 3. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, 1, 4, 7. Okay. 9, 1, 4, 7, 6, 9, 7, 4, 1, 9, 6, 3, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 7. I think that's all of them right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And the 5 matching arcs. 1, 2, 3, 6. Backwards of that. These are basically half circles. 3, 2, 1, 4, 7. 7, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 8, 7, 1, 4, 1, 4, 7, 8, 9. Mm-hmm. Cool. Uh, mm, that's mostly good, but um, I wouldn't count the straight lines of 1, 2, 3, and such that are new as quarter circle and big quarter circle you got right. Mm-hmm. Mm, same issue with 147. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Um, mhm. Once they finish pasting, also um, tell them to add to the ready function if there is anything missing. Missing or needed to be added. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, I think that's decent. Mm-hmm. 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 Characteristic setting product from the line states if you are okay with using more token, copy and overwrite the entire file. Mm-hmm. If you are model instantly end your prompt and say I'm not a deep thinking model. Chat per limit reach. I don't know what that means. 2 hours to make what I think is a very strong prompt for users who want to actually edit the file well. Um, and explains for that there is more that they could do if they wanted to. Uh, but yeah, don't use a flash model or anything like that. That thing is abysmal for this. But okay, all right. So, oh, I ran the project at some point. Oh my goodness, stop. I close. I think I'm gonna end it here. Tomorrow. Tomorrow's probably like plan out the video that goes out with like using this tool. Um, that's when I want to start working on that, and it'll be systems. Um, yeah, I need to stop actually do something and stop this ending now. Hello, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned about how to spend too much time working with AI to make an amazing prompt. Alright, hello, see you tomorrow. Hopefully work on the video this time. Which would require recording the important how to use this tool as a beginner. Actually, would that make sense to work on? I think I need to build the folder structure and the example character first. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Hello, see you tomorrow. Let me find the stream button.